Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll be learning how to share your Spotify playlist. So it is easy to do so. First of all, open your Spotify application and then go to your library. There you can see playlist, albums and artist. Tap on playlist, it will show the playlist you have created. If you don't have any playlist, tap on the plus icon on the top right corner and then tap on playlist. Give a name to your playlist. Here I'm naming it. Now add songs to your playlist. Here now you can see the new playlist you have just created. Tap on it and then you can see three dots beside add people icon. Tap on the three dot and then scroll down. There you can see share. Tap on it and then tap on copy link, and then you can share the link directly in the inbox, and whoever tap on the link will reach to your playlist. That is all. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you, and do subscribe for similar contents.